You may be asking, why is it important to uncover my organization's blind spots in our writing, reviewing, and communication processes? Well, blind spots are kind of those sneaky things. If you don't know that they're there, they just get bigger and bigger, and they cause more problems and more problems until you've wasted a lot of time and money when if you just pulled back and looked, you'd see, there's the problem. I should have fixed that months ago or even years ago. The communication diagnostic helps you to uncover those blind spots, whether that may be in your team's skills, maybe it's in the writing and reviewing processes, maybe it's in miscommunications between team members. Whatever's going on, unless you know it, you can't address it. You can't fix it. It's almost like you want to get to the other side of a brick wall. And so you keep hitting your head against the brick wall. Keep hitting it. If I keep hitting my head, I'm going to get to that other side. Doggone it, I will. But if you just pull back for a moment, you'll see, oh, there's a door there. I should probably use that. Uncovering these blind spots help you to see where the doors. How do you get to the doors? How do you unlock those doors? And ultimately, uncovering blind spots will save you a whole lot of time, money, and headaches.